please, no! 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 No!
We just got our first leak of the Oneplus 7. Let's take a look. The Oneplus 7's design looks really good. There is almost no bezel on the front and no notch of any kind, or a camera cutout, as seen on the Galaxy S10, which means it will adopt either a pop-up camera as seen in Vivo phones, or Oppo's sliding mechanism as seen in the Oppo Find X. I'm not a huge fan of this. It's a motorized part, it can break. I wish OnePlus would just stick with the teardrop notch, or even better, the camera punch hole. Let me know in the comment section below which one you prefer, a notch or a camera punch hole. The button placement remains the same as seen on the OnePlus 6T, with the volume rockers on the left and the alert slide on the right just above the power button. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 855. The specific configurations remains unknown, but we can expect at least 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of onboard storage for a base model. The OnePlus 7 is coming with 5G and might be announced at the Mobile World Congress 2019, as OnePlus's CEO, Pete Lau, has said the company will release its first 5G device in the first half of 2019. And OnePlus also scheduled an invite-only event at the Mobile World Congress for next week, so there's a big chance we'll get to see the OnePlus 7 there. Please subscribe to my channel to get the latest tech updates, and hit the bell icon to get notified when I release another video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more.
What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you?